So the last reaction, what was that? Finkelstein reaction, right? Yes, Finkelstein reaction is what we have discussed. Now let's say I want to prepare a fluoride. Okay, this is Schwarz reaction. This is called as, I don't know the number. First one, second one under this. Schwarz reaction. Okay, suppose म्हाका अल्काइल फ्लोराइड प्रिपेर करपाक जाय. ओके, अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड किंवा आयोडाइड जर प्रिपेर करपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी फिंकल्स्टीन रिएक्शन यूज करपाक शकता. हॅलोजन एक्सचेंज. ओके, an alkyl bromide, from an alkyl bromide you want to prepare an alkyl iodide. Okay, what are you going to do? You are going to react it with potassium iodide or sodium iodide. The halogen which is there with the sodium or potassium iodide, that will get exchanged. This will shift there, this will shift over here. Is that clear? So this way you are going to get iodides. But now if you are going to, if you want to get a fluoride, then in that case you will have to use a different reagent. So like for example CH3Br. Okay, if I use as an alkyl bromide, then here the reagent that I am going to use is silver fluoride. Okay, I can use silver fluoride. What am I going to get in this case? Immediately CH3F plus AgBr, silver bromide. Is that clear? At the Schwarz reaction. Clear as again? Finkelstein reaction prepare करपा खातीर iodides prepare करपा खातीर. Okay, iodides म्हणल्यार कसले iodides? Alkyl iodides prepare करपा खातीर. Okay, आणि हे prepare करपा खातीर alkyl fluorides prepare करपा खातीर. Is that clear to everybody? Okay, yes. So बऱ्या Schwarz reaction. What is the product name here in this case? Product का नाम क्या है? Yes, what is the name of the compound? It is chlorine azar, chloromethane mentally. Iodine azar, iodomethane. Thank you, chloromethane. Okay, fine. Now the next one, just tell you the number. Third. Okay, now let us talk about the next one. That is preparation of haloarenes. So far we have discussed preparation methods of haloalkanes. Now preparation of haloarenes, let us talk about. So the preparation of haloarenes, the reaction, the first one that I am going to use is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so here in this case, if you take benzene, okay, and react it with the halogen in the presence of FeX3, okay, at a temperature of around 310 to 320 Kelvin. Okay, what you are going to get is a haloarene. Is that clear? So if you are using benzene when it is reacted with a halogen in FeCl3, Lewis acid, Okay, what you are going to get is a haloarine is what you are going to get. Now this X that we are going to use, this X could be either chlorine or it could be bromine in this case. Is that clear to everybody? So reaction quite simple, can okay, you just have to react benzene with that halogen in the presence of this Lewis acid FeX3. Okay, so you are going to get a, if you are using chlorine, then you are going to get chlorobenzene. If you are using bromine, you are going to get bromobenzene here. Is that clear to everybody? So a simple reaction. Okay, electrophilic substitution reaction म्हणतात त्याला. So हातून भी जर कित जातले, X2 जो आसा, X2 will break in such a way that it is going to produce X minus and X plus. हांगचो X plus जो आसा तो बेंझिनाक वचून attach जाता. This electrophile is going to get substituted to the benzene. Okay, electrophile that is generated, that electrophile is going to attack the benzene, giving you an electrophilic substitution reaction. Is that very clear to everyone? Yes? Clear everybody? Yes. Now if I am saying, if I have a methyl group onto the benzene ring, okay, what is this compound called as with the methyl group on the benzene ring? What is this called as? Toluene. Now if you are having toluene and if you are carrying out the same reaction, okay, X2 Fe in dark. Okay, you can either use this or you can do this. Use this. Okay, both of, see, if I am using Fe in dark with the halogen, it is going to give me this FeX3. Okay, so examic question it can be either this written or it can be this written. Both will mean the same. Okay, ultimate goal is to produce this FeX3. Is that clear to everybody? So if you are having a toluene, okay, methyl group on the benzene ring. Methyl group is what type of group? In 11th standard we have done. What is this methyl group? Incoming electrophile, it is going to direct at the ortho and para position. Okay, so electrophile etlo, त्या electrophile तो खंय direct करतलो ortho आणि para position आचेर. Okay, so हांगा आमका mixture मेळटले. Okay, mixture of two compounds we are going to get, two products we are going to get. One is going to be orthochlorotoluene, orthohalotoluene. If you are using chlorine, it will be chlorine. Okay, and the other one is going to be parahalotoluene. Clear asa? Atutlo ortho खंयचो आणि para खंयचो? Ortho खंयचो? Ortho, correct? आणि हो para. हय. हो कोण? Para. This is ortho position. Ortho halotoluene. This is para halotoluene. Clear again? Is that very clear to everybody? Clear again? Again, okay. So if you want to prepare orthochlorotoluene or orthobromotoluene, then in that case you can use this reaction. Fine, everybody? Yes? Great. Yes, Nale? See now please try to understand people. हे तुमकां last year सुद्दां हांवें शिकयलां. Even if people were not there with me, you would have learned it in school. Okay, हे दोन्ही कंपाउंड जे आसा, हे दोन्ही कंपाउंड्सान जेन्ना आमी कंपेर करता, कोणाची मेल्टिंग पॉयंट चड आसतली आनी कोणाची मेल्टिंग पॉयंट कमी आसतली, मेल्टिंग किंवा बॉइलिंग पॉयंट कोणाची चड आसतली, ऑर्थो आयझोमर और पॅरा आयझोमर कोणाची चड आसतली? Yes? It is the para isomer which is going to have a higher melting point than this one. Okay? Even though दोन्ही same asa, molecular formula exact same asa दोन्ही compounds जाचे, but lattice structurean दोन्ही जेन्ना fit जातले तेन्ना हाजी lattice structure more compact it will be than compared to this one. What is the meaning of lattice structure? Lattice structure म्हणल्यार ताजे molecule जेन्ना जेन्ना ते कंपाउंड घेतले आमी तातूंत मॉलिक्युल्स एकमेका बरोबर जॉइन कशे जातात. आतां हे टायल्स जे आसा दिसता तुमकां, हे टायल्स सिस्टमॅटिकली अरेंज केला म्हण ते इंटॅक्ट आसा, दुखता मूव जाता आमी चलता तेन्ना ना, कित्याक हांगा ते अरेंजमेंट प्रॉपर आसा. लॅटायस स्ट्रक्चर इज व्हेरी इंटॅक्ट. ओके, जर सपोज रँडमली दवरिल्लें आनी आमी चलतले आशिल्ले ताजेर हालतले काय ना, येस ऑर नो? सो दॅट इज वॉट इज गोइंग टू हॅपन इन दिस केस. कित्याक हांगा तुमकां सिमेट्री दिसता ना, हांगा कितें आसा? सिमेट्री आसा. ओके, सो हातून भितर लॅटायस स्ट्रक्चरान हे चड टायटली अरेंज जावपाक शकता. त्या खातीर हाजी मेल्टिंग पॉयंट हाय आसतले, हाजी मेल्टिंग पॉयंट लो आसतले. याद दवरात. ओके, मेन्शन करात ते. ओके, दिस विल हॅव हायर मेल्टिंग पॉयंट, दिस विल हॅव लोअर मेल्टिंग पॉयंट. And write down, सकयल बऱ्याक CH3 group is ortho para directing. Ortho para directing. CH3 group is ortho para directing, and thus we get a mixture of ortho and para halotoluene. And thus we get a mixture of ortho and para halotoluene. Which can be easily separated. CH3 group is ortho para directing. CH3 group is ortho para directing, and thus we get a mixture of ortho and para halotoluene. Ortho and para halotoluene, which can be easily separated. Which can be easily separated. Why can it be easily separated? Yes? Why can it be easily separated? Again, layer. कित्याक being easily separated करपाक शकतले आमी. कित्याक आत्ता रिजन सांगला तुमकां कितें? दोगांयची मेल्टिंग पॉइंट वेगळे आसा. तुमी वापरात, यूज करा, नाजाल्यार ताका रस्ट लागतले, यूज करा. ओके, कितें म्हटलें? बिकॉज दे आर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट्स आर डिफरंट. सो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट जर वेगळे आसा जाल्यार फ्रॅक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन करता तेन्ना एकटो सेपरेट जातलो काय ना? येस नो? वेपरायझन उरतलो. ओके, सो वी कॅन इजिली सेपरेट देम. क्लियर आसा? इज दॅट व्हेरी क्लियर फॉर पीपल? या, सी ऑर्थो पॅरा डायरेक्टिंग कित्याक म्हणटा? हो ग्रुप आसा म्हणून, ओके, CH3 ग्रुप आसा म्हणून, ओके, हो जो इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रोफायल येतलो X+ हांगच्यान, तो एक तरी ऑर्थो पोजिशनाचेर वयतलो, ना जाल्यार तो पॅरा पोजिशनाचेर वयतलो. इज दॅट क्लियर? ओके, सो दोन्ही पोजिशनाचेर हो डायरेक्ट करता. कोण डायरेक्ट करता? CH3 ग्रुप डायरेक्ट करता, मिथायल ग्रुप डायरेक्ट करता. त्या खातीर आमी ताका मिथायल ग्रुपाक कितें म्हणटात? ऑर्थो पॅरा डायरेक्टिंग ग्रुप. इज दॅट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? येस. So that is why you are having ortho halotoluene and para halotoluene as the products, okay, which will be in mixture because of their different melting points, wide varying melting points. They can be easily separated. Clear, sir? Is the idea very clear? Yes. So I'm not writing the specific reactions, okay, I'm just using X2 here. You can write it. Okay, तुमकां जाय जाल्यार बऱ्यार X2 च्या जाग्यार Cl2 घातलेले हांगा ऑर्थो क्लोरोटोलुइन आणि पॅरा क्लोरोटोलुइन मेळटले. ब्रोमीन घातलेले accordingly you are going to get the product. Is that clear to everybody? It is very understandable. Fine. So next one. आता हे मेथड यूज करून आमी कितें तयार करपाक शकता? एक तरी क्लोरोअरीन नाजाल्यार ब्रोमोअरीन आमी तयार करपाक शकता. सपोज म्हाका आयोडोअरीन तयार करपाक जाय. Okay? Iodoarine, if you want to make, then this method is not going to work. Okay? This method is not going to work. Instead, you will have to use to prepare an iodobenzene. Okay? To prepare an iodobenzene, what will you have to do is you will have to react the benzene with iodine, but in the presence of an oxidizing agent like HNO3, nitric acid. Okay, so जर आम्ही nitric acid use करता, okay, if you are not using this nitric acid, then what is going to happen is this reaction is going to be what kind of reaction? Last time सुद्धा केल्लें हांवें. कसलें reaction जातलें? Reversible reaction जातलें. किती produce जातलो by product? HI produce जातलो. Okay, you will get this. Okay, you will get this plus HI. But हे HI परते हाजे बरोबर react करतलें परते किती दिवपा खातीर? बेंझीन आणि आयोडीन दिवपा खातीर. Is that clear? So त्या खातीर आमी किती वापरतात हांगा? हे रिव्हर्सिबल न्ही, युनिडायरेक्शनल करपाक जाय आमकां. ओके, नॉन रिव्हर्सिबल रिएक्शन करपाक जाय. त्या खातीर आमी किती वापरतात? किती वापरतात? ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट वापरतात. Okay, which is going to oxidize that hydrogen iodide that will be produced. HNO3 वापरपाक शकतात, नाजाल्यार तुमी AgClO4 वापरपाक शकतात. AgClO4, yeah, you can use this. Okay, or you can even use HiO4, HiO3, sorry, hydroiodic acid you can use. Okay, any one of those you can use. If I am using this one, HNO3, then what is the product that I am going to get? The product that I am going to get is iodobenzene plus NO2 plus H2. Is that clear to everybody? Yes? Jar now HNO3 वापरता as an oxidizing agent, then the products will be iodobenzene plus NO2 plus H2O, water. Is that clear to everybody? Once again, yes? एक पॉइंट बरें कळटा न्ही हें सगळें क्लियर आसा सगळें? येस, वेरी सिंपल रिएक्शन दिस आर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन म्हणटात आमी. ओके, सो कितें कितें तयार केलें आमी? हॅलोअरीन्स मेथड प्रिपरेशन वी आर सेइंग. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड टिल नाउ? क्लोरोबेंजीन, ब्रोमोबेंजीन and which one? Iodobenzene. Okay, now we have the iodobenzene. This is iodobenzene. Right? What is left? Fluorobenzene is left. Right? But this is not going to work. This method is not going to work. Right? Fluorobenzene. The reaction is fluorine is violent and cannot be controlled. The reaction with fluorine, is violent and cannot be controlled. The reaction with fluorine is violent and cannot be controlled. Therefore, fluoroarine cannot be prepared by direct fluorination of aromatic hydrocarbon. Therefore, fluoroarine cannot be prepared by direct fluorination of aromatic hydrocarbon. is one reaction, the first reaction. Now let's talk about the next one. तो एक method जालो अरेंज तयार करपाचो, हॅलो अरेंज तयार करपाचो. Second method, write down, from diazonium salt, from diazonium salt. Okay, so diazonium salt पहिले आमकां कितें करचें पडटलें हांगा डायएझोनियम तयार करचें पडटलें. ओके, आतां डायएझोनियम तयार करपा खातीर आमी कितें वापरतात, यू आर गोइंग टू यूज एन एमाइन. ओके, NH2, right? What is that compound? It is called as a amine. कितें म्हणटा आमी एका एमाइन म्हणटा. NH2 ग्रुप जेन्ना आसता बेन्झीन रिंगाक अटॅच किंवा अल्कायल ग्रुपाक अटॅच, RNH2, ओके, और ARNH2, NH2. कितें म्हणटात आमी ह्या कंपाउंड्सांक, ग्रुप ऑफ कंपाउंड्सांक आमी कितें म्हणटात, एमाइन्स म्हणटात. हाजे बद्दल शिकतले आमी फुडें. ओके, लास्ट लेसन आसतलो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्रीचो, एमाइन्स. इज दॅट क्लियर? सो जर आमी एक अरायल अमाइन घेतात, ओके, एंड दॅट यू रिएक्ट विथ NaNO2, NaNO2 plus HX, okay, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. What are you going to get is a diazonium salt. किती मेळटलें आमकां, एक डायएझोनियम सॉल्ट मेळटलो, N2 plus X minus. क्लियर आसा? कितें म्हणटा ताका आमी डायएझोनियम सॉल्ट म्हणटात. डायएझो, एझो म्हणल्यार नायट्रोजन. ओके, कितले आसा नायट्रोजन, 2 आसा, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज. आनी एझोनियम सॉल्ट, सॉल्ट म्हणल्यार सॉल्टान भितर कितें आसता, पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज, नेगेटिव्ह चार्ज. सोडियम क्लोरायड याद आसा, Na plus Cl minus. पोटॅशियम क्लोरायड, K plus Cl minus. ओके, तो जर चार्ज सेपरेटेड आसता ताका आमी कितें म्हणटात, दोन्ही चार्जीस जर आसा जाल्यार आमी ताका सॉल्ट म्हणटात. डायएझो म्हणल्यार 2 नायट्रोजन. इज दॅट क्लियर? डायएझोनियम सॉल्ट म्हणटात. क्लियर आसा सगळ्यांक? येस, क्लियर. Sodium nitrate plus hydrogen halide, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature, you react them at, you are going to get a diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Now, once you have prepared this, the diazonium salt, when you react it with the cuprous halide, okay, और diazonium salt जो तयार केला आमी, ताका जर आमी एक क्यूप्रस हॅलायडाच्या बरोबर रिएक्ट करतात, N2 plus X minus. If you react it with Cu2X2, cuprous halide, what are you going to get is, you are going to get the halide that you want to get. Okay, X जो आसा तो N2 भायर काडटलो. Clear as again? Yes, is that very clear to everybody? Fine. What is this X here? This X. X is here chlorine or bromine. Fine. परत हांगा iodine आणि fluorine आम्ही use करपाक शकणार. Okay, you cannot use cuprous chloride or cuprous iodide to get this compound. Is that clear? So ह्या मेथडान diazonium salt use करून आमी कितें तयार करपाक शकतात? फक्त क्लोरो आणि ब्रोमो बेन्झीन तयार करपाक शकतात. Clear is that very clear to everybody? Write down. हांगा N2 release जातले. Okay, the nitrogen gas will be released here. Fine. हेजे N2 आसा, that will be released there. Okay, done. So cuprous halide use करून आम्ही आयोडो बेन्झीन तयार करपाक शकनात. ओके, बट डायझोनियम सॉल्ट घेऊन ओके, instead of cuprous halide जर हांव simply N2 plus X minus जर हांव simple potassium iodide घेता, okay, if I simply react the diazonium salt with potassium iodide, what am I going to get? What will we be getting here? We will be getting the iodobenzene. Is that clear? Yes? Clear असा diazonium salt जर घेता तुम्ही आमकां क्लोरोबेन्झीन किंवा ब्रोमोबेन्झीन तयार करपाक जाय, रिएजंट कितें वापरतले आमी? क्युप्रस जाय. ओके, जर आमकां आयोडोबेन्झीन तयार करपाक जाय जाल्यार कितें वापरपाचें? काय करप ना, डायझोनियम सॉल्ट डायरेक्टली पोटॅशियम आयोडायडाच्या सोल्युशना बरोबर शेक करपाचें. कितें मेळटलें आमकां? आयोडोबेन्झीन मेळटलें. इज दॅट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? येस, क्लियर. ओके, N2 हांगा रिलीज जातलो. ओके, N2 विल अगेन रिलीज. हे रिएक्शनाचें नांव कितें? सँडमेयर्स रिएक्शन म्हणटा आमी. ओके, कितें म्हणटा? सँडमेयर्स रिएक्शन. बऱ्या तुवें using diazonium salt. It is called a Sandmeyer's reaction. Meyer spelling. Okay, this is called a Sandmeyer's reaction. Fine. All these three reactions very clear to everybody? Yes, very clear everyone. See now, suppose say I want to, I do not want to use this cuprous halide. Okay, how much is that now? That a simple reaction modify केल्लो आसा. It can be also carried out using copper powder. Okay, N2 plus X minus. You are simply going to use copper powder here. Okay, with heating, then also you are going to get the LORine. Okay, this is another reaction. Fine. If cuprous halide आमकडे ना, okay, copper powder available, so copper powder use करून सुद्धा reaction carry out करता येता. आता आमी Gattermann reaction म्हणटा. Gattermann reaction. This reaction is called as Gattermann reaction. Fine. Okay, now just have a look here. See, म्हाका हांगा chlorine लावपाक जाय. Okay, I want to get chlorine substituted here. Okay, so what I will use here? HCl I am going to use here. Okay, if I want to get chlorine here, I am going to use HCl here. If I want to get bromine here, what am I going to use? HBr is what I am going to use here. Clear sir? Yes. Okay, हांगा बीन N2 release जातलो. Okay, सगळेकडे N2 बऱ्यात. Okay, N2 plus N2. Nitrogen gas will be evolved in each of the case of the diazonium salt reactions. Gattermann last तक double N करा. Gattermann. Yes, done. Dale? Okay. Now under this only, म्हाका जर preparation of fluorobenzene करपाक जाय. Using diazonium salt you can do that. Preparation of fluorobenzene. Now this will be important because this is not there anywhere here. you cannot use any of those methods here. Okay. If you are using a diazonium salt, N2 plus X minus, okay, and fluoroboric acid HBF4, किस मिनट आएगा मी fluoroboric acid, okay, then in that case you are going to get this compound as an intermediate which will give us ultimately fine. This is our fluorobenzene. Okay. With this, there will be some more things. This is heating. हांगा Cl आसतलें, कितें आसतलें Cl minus will be the diazonium salt of chlorine will be change that, okay, Cl minus, otherwise HCl will not be. This reaction's name is, it is called as Bald-Schiemann reaction. It is called as Bald-Schiemann. B-A-L. Okay, it is called as Bald-Schiemann reaction. Right? Clear, sir? Yes. So these are all the reactions for the method. Okay, हंगा एक compound. See BF4 minus है sir. BF4 minus. Okay. HBF4 minus you are getting no. So N2 you are getting, HCl you are getting, but that BF4 which is there, it will give you BF3. Okay. Please write that also. BF3. Okay. This will be the byproducts of the reaction along with fluorobenzene. This is an important reaction. Fine. To prepare a fluorobenzene, this is the only method. Okay. This is the only method. Any kind of method na fluorobenzene तैयार करपाचो. Bald-Schiemann reaction is the only method that can be used to prepare fluorobenzene using diazonium salt of chlorine. Okay. Clear, sir? Very clear. Yes. These are all the methods of preparation that we have discussed so far. So notes ज्यांना दिसला होता तुमका, okay? एक चार्ट तयार करपाचे तुम्ही. हे सगळे रिएक्शन आता वेळ पळयता कितले रिएक्शन झाले. ॲटलीस्ट एक 20 तरी झाले. Yes or no? आता हे 20 रिएक्शन याद करप, that is the bigger task. Okay? So what will you do is, in fact the thing is already done for you in the notes. Everything ready-made I am giving you. You just have to copy down this systematically on a full step paper. Okay? हे सगळे methods of preparation of haloalkanes हांगा सगळे दिल्ले आसा. Okay? Shortcut method. Okay? कशें याद दवरपाचें. Okay? And तशेंच methods of preparation of कितें haloarenes. Exactly, that is also given. So systematically write it and try to keep copying down that. At least 2 to 3 times you have to write it and practice it. Okay? So that खंयचोय जर रिएजंट हांगा जर खंयचोय सबस्ट्रेट घालून दिला आराच्या जाग्यार कितेंय घालून दिला इथायल ग्रुप मिथायल ग्रुप इमिडिएटली प्रोडक्ट बरोवपाक कळपाक जाय. These are the general reactions that you are having written. Exactly general reaction आतां specific reaction जर आमकां बरोवपाक जाय काय चेंजेस काय जावपाना फक्त आराच्या जाग्यार कितें तरी ग्रुप घालतले. ओके इथायल ग्रुप ब्युटाइल ग्रुप आयसोब्युटाइल ग्रुप ओके कितें तरी घालतले and that is the product that you are going to write. This is what you have to write in practice for the exam. Is that very clear to everybody? If you memorize this part, okay, and this part here, this is for preparation. Likewise, you will have for chemical reaction. Okay, just study that much. Keep writing that one again and again and again. Okay, 5-6 times you write it. If that fixes in your brain well, then in exam, any conversion coming, any product writing questions coming, you will be able to write it. Is that clear? But if you are not doing this, it will be very difficult. At the end of the class 12, you will have at least some 500 reactions with you. Okay, memorizing that will be extremely very difficult. Is that clear? Understood what I am saying? Okay, remember the concepts behind every reaction that I am writing. Okay, concept किती यूज केला कशें कशें फुडें गेला मेकॅनिझम ज्या जाग्यार आसा मेकॅनिझम शिका मेकॅनिझमा शिवाय जावचें ना. Is that clear to everybody? Yes? Questions घेऊया. Okay, so we have discussed all the methods of preparation. Classification आचे questions तुमकां सांगिल्ले question bit test 1 how many of you have solved? Okay, धाडले ना दिसता आनी notes घेवन वरता. Okay, fine. Next class I will give you the notes. Okay, it's already ready. I am just not getting time to get it. I just put the questions on the board. Try to do this first one. This time is okay. Yes. Try to do the first one first. So these questions in the notes that you all have got, in the test or at the end, these are all very carefully chosen questions. Okay, if you solve only them, okay, and keep revising those questions, then definitely you can get 100 out of 100 in chemistry. Okay, even physics looks also. All the questions, only that much if you solve, you can definitely get 100 out of 100. Is that clear? क्वेश्चन्स दिसता न्ही सगळ्यांक Can is it readable from there? Yeah. क्लासीक जेन्ना येतात तेन्ना एकदा येवचे पयलीं एक हे रिएक्शन्स पळयात वाचून येयात सगळी क्वेश्चन कॉपी करपाक लागली आरे क्वेश्चन तुमकां नोट्सांचेर मेळटले आन्सर सोदात नोट्स दितलो हांव फुडले क्लासीन सगळे क्वेश्चन्स मेळटले तुमकां आन्सर सोदात आन्सर क्वेश्चन कॉपी करनाका What is the answer? Among the following alcohols, which will yield the corresponding alkyl chloride on reaction with concentrated hydrochloric acid at room temperature? Turn the pages and check. Concentrated hydrochloric acid बरोबर खंयचे रिएक्शन केल्ले आमी याद आसा reaction with HCl which are the reactions दिला कितें आमकां कितें दिला अल्कोहol दिला तो खंय सोदतली अंडर अल्कोहॉल्स मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ haloalkanes from alcohols Yes, मैं काय ना पयलोच रिएक्शन केल्लो आमी केल्सा ती म्हटलेलें जर प्रायमरी सेकंडरी अल्कोहॉल आसा जाल्यार कितें वापरतात आमी झिंक क्लोरायड वापरतात एज अ कॅटलिस्ट आनी टर्शरी आसा जाल्यार झिंक क्लोरायड वापरपाची गरज आसा ना बरयला काय ना नोट्सांचेर दिला तेच आन्सर आमचें तो कितें आन्सर जातलो हातूंतल्यान which one first second third fourth which one fourth ना ते first second or third which one second one this is which alcohol tertiary alcohol so this will not need ZnCl2 clear asa yes why because this is tertiary alcohol it will react even at room temperature with hydrochloric acid clear asa is that very clear to everybody These are the type of questions that are asked in the exam. Second one, do quickly. Reason बरेया का? Answer बरेत तेन्ना reason बरेया. कितें reason सांगला? कितें सांगला? This is a tertiary alcohol and tertiary alcohols react with HCl even at room temperature and there is no need of a catalyst. The alcohols are very reactive. Okay, next one, second one. products A and B formed in the following reaction. Go under alkenes and check the reaction. Alkenes under and check the reaction. Reaction of an alkene with hydrogen halide. If it is a symmetric alkene, the product that you are going to get is only one. If it is asymmetric alkene, you are going to get two products in accordance with what? Markovnikov's rule. But look at this compound that is given to you. This compound that is given to you. Okay, Markovnikov's rule किती सांग हे सिमेट्रिक काय एसिमेट्रिक पहिले हे सांगात म्हाका एसिमेट्रिक. आता हे डबल बॉन्ड जे आसा इज दॅट करेक्ट? इज द कंपाउंड करेक्ट? डबल बॉन्ड दोन बॉन्ड 3 4 2 3 4 correct? No, absolutely. But this carbon as well as this carbon is having how many hydrogens? Only one hydrogen, no? So Markovnikov's rule will work here? No, there will be how many products? Two products necessarily have to be the mixture of two products we are going to get. Product किती असतले? बॉन्ड ब्रेक जातलो, एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक जातलो, हो जो Cl आसा Cl हाकाय लागतलो, एक प्रोडक्ट दितलो, Cl हाका लागतलो, दुसरो प्रोडक्ट दितलो, जालें. Is that clear to everybody? Understood everyone? The two products you are going to get here. One product's name will be 3 4 5 5 आसा न्ही, so 3 chloropentan आणि दुसरे 2 chloropentan. Clear आसा? Yes, बरोवन दाखव. Still some people have not understood. Here you will get A as CH3 CH2 CH Cl CH 2 CH3 and the other one will be B will be CH3 CH2 CH2 CH Cl CH. Clear, sir? This is 2 chloropentan and this is what is this? 3 chloropentan. Okay? So याद दवरा, किती याद दवरपाक जाय हांच्यान? जर दोन्ही कार्बनाक सेम हायड्रोजन आसा जाल्यार सदांच दोन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म जातले. ओके, ना जाल्यार दोन्ही कार्बनाक सेम हायड्रोजन ना जाल्यार Markovnikov's rule फॉलो जातलो. पेरोक्साइड आसा जाल्यार एंटी Markovnikov's rule फॉलो जातलो. ओके, do the next one quickly. Do the next one. Name the alkene which will yield 1-chloro-1-methyl cyclohexane by its reaction with HCl. Write the reactions involved. ही दिला क्वेश्चन आमकां रिएक्शन बरोवपाक लायल्या कोणाची? 1-chloro-1-methyl cyclohexane by its reaction with HCl. Write the reactions involved. म्हणल्यार आमकां प्रोडक्ट दिला. Please try to understand. What is given to you? Name the alkene which will yield. म्हणल्यार आमकां विचारला खंयचो alkene जर यूज करतात, ओके, on the reaction with HCl आमकां कितें मेळपाक जाय? 1-chloro-1-methyl कितें? cyclohexane. Okay, so cyclohexane कशें आसता? How is your cyclohexane? This is your cyclohexane, people, right? Agree? Are yes or no? One positionाचेर कितें आसा? क्लोरो आनी मिथाइल दोन्ही एकूच पोझिशनाचेर आसा. सपोज हांगा, okay, this is CH3 and here only you are having chlorine also. ओके, what will be the alkene? किती वापरतली आम्ही हो प्रोडक्ट मेळपा खातीर? Answer is alkene. Okay, it has to be an alkene. But which alkene are you going to use to get this? हे कितें? कितें हे? HCl. हे कितें? Alkene. So HCl जेन्ना अल्किनाच्या बरोबर रिएक्ट करता, किती फॉलो करता? किती फॉलो करता? मार्कोनिकॉव्स रूल फॉलो करता. म्हणल्यार हांगा अल्कीन आसपाक जाय. ओके, सो खंयचो अल्कीन यूज करतले तुमी ते मेळपा खातीर आनी मार्कोनिकॉव रूल फॉलो करतले. खंयचो अल्कीन यूज करपाक जाय पडटलें? चिंतात मातशें. क्लोरीन खंय अटॅच जाला हांगा? ह्या कार्बनाक अटॅच जाला. हो कार्बन कसलो? 3 डिग्री कार्बन. येस नो? रायट एवरीबडी. सो हांगा कितें जातलें? हांगा पळया अल्कीन खंयचो आसपाक शकता? Use your brain, people. Can it be this one? Can it be? Sorry. Very sorry. Plus HCl giving you this. Is that right? How bond break जातलो? Correct? How bond break जातलो? आता हो एक कार्बन आसा आनी हो एक कार्बन आसा. दोगांचे भितर कोणाकडे चड कमी हायड्रोजन कोणाकडे आसा? मिनिमम हायड्रोजन कोणाकडे आसा? हाचकडे मिनिमम हायड्रोजन आसा. कित्याक? हो टर्शरी कार्बन आनी हो सेकंडरी कार्बन. सो मिनिमम हायड्रोजन हाका आसा न्ही. सो क्लोरीन कोणाक वचून अटॅच जातलो? त्या कार्बनाक वचून अटॅच जातलो. क्लियर आसा सगळ्यांक? इज दॅट क्लियर? दिस इज द कंपाउंड दॅट वी आर हॅविंग. व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड नेम? दिस इज वन पॉसिबिलिटी. हे एक पॉसिबिलिटी आसा. आनी एक पॉसिबिलिटी, दुसरी पॉसिबिलिटी, जर आमी हे वापरतात, इफ यू आर युजिंग दिस अल्केन, कितें जातलें? HCl च्या बरोबर प्लस HCl. Then also you are going to get this. What will happen in this case? This bond will break. Cl minus will get attached to जो कितले कार्बन आसा दोन बॉन्डाच्या मध्ये कितले कार्बन आसा? हो एक कार्बन आणि हो एक कार्बन. हो कार्बन कसलो? 3 डिग्री कार्बन. अरे येस नो? दिस इज 2 डिग्री कार्बन. मिनिमम हायड्रोजन कोणाकडे आसतले? हाचकडे काय हाचकडे? हाचकडे कितले आसतले कार्बन? काढाक पळय, सांगात पळय कितले कार्बन आसतले? How many carbon? Sorry, how many hydrogens are there with this one? How many? None of the hydrogens are there. Right? Right? Is that clear to everybody? No hydrogen. So minimum hydrogen. आणि हाचकडे कितले आसा? 2 हायड्रोजन आसा. सो हांगा अटॅच जावपाचो काय ना? अरे हय काय ना? हांगा अटॅच जावपा ना. मार्कोनिकॉव्स रूल फॉलो जातले. खंय अटॅच जातलो? ह्या कार्बनाचेर. कित्याक? हाचकडे मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ हायड्रोजन एटम्स आसा. इनफॅक्ट नो हायड्रोजन इज देयर. ओके? सिमिलरली हांगा कितले हायड्रोजन आसतले? कितले हायड्रोजन आसतले? हो डबल बॉन्ड 1 2 3 4. ओके, सगळे बॉन्डेड आसा. सो हायड्रोजन आसतले हाचकडे ना. हाचकडे नासतले हायड्रोजन 1 2 3. एक हायड्रोजन आसतलो काय ना हांगा? येस. सो हाचकडेन एक आसा, हाचकडे 0 हायड्रोजन आसा. सो कोणाक वचून अटॅच जातलो? कार्बन हॅविंग 0 हायड्रोजन. नो हायड्रोजन. इज दॅट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? दिस इज मार्कोनिकॉव्स रूल. वेरी क्लियर टू एवरीबडी. वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रिएक्शन्स दिस आर. फायन? बरें. सो हो पयलो रिएक्शन आमचो. ओके, हो एक सबस्ट्रेट आनी सेकंड रिएक्शन हो एक सबस्ट्रेट. हाजें नांव आनी हाजें नांव बरें. पयल्याचें नांव कितें जातलें आनी दुसऱ्याचें नांव कितें जातलें? दॅट इज फॉर होमवर्क. रायट डावन द नेम्स ऑफ देम. झाले? Is it done? Let's try the last one. Then we can do. It's a simple one. You just have to write the products of this. Okay. These are very common questions in the board exam. Okay. Extremely very simple questions. Those are quickly tell me the answers. Names of the products to tell me. First product is what is the first product? Just write the answers. What is the product? Iodopropane. Correct. Which reaction is that? Finkelstein reaction. Okay. Finkelstein or Schwarz? Schwarz is for what? For fluoroalkane. This is iodoalkane that you are looking for. Sodium iodide, potassium iodide as well. What is that? Finkelstein reaction. Is that clear? Yes. Very good. Now very good reaction acha. Finkelstein reaction. Next one, SOCl2, pyridine. क्या था साहब? कितना नीले? हाँ, propyl chloride. Yes. तीन मिनट ले लें उनका क्या रिएक्शन है सर? तीन मिनट ले लें. It is the best reaction. Okay, best method of preparation for the preparation of alkyl halide. Is that clear? Product is applied. And the product is the flow. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. Okay. Here best ashille hai. Why was it best? Byproducts were all gases. You will get the pure product in this. Ajay, CH3, CH2, CH2. Right. Last one. Quickly. Bromo. Why not 2-bromobutane? I think 2-bromobutane is the answer. Am I wrong or you are wrong? Huh? Peroxide as well. So peroxide as well किती follow करता? Anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule किती म्हणतात? The negative part of the addendum gets attached to the carbon containing maximum number of hydrogen. So this Br will go and get attached to this one because this has 2 hydrogen and this has got only 1 hydrogen. Is that clear? Yes, correct. CH3, CH2, 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 Br. Okay, this is the product. Clear, Asa? Fine. So, उरलेले question हांव ग्रुपान धाडटा. Try to solve it for homework. We'll solve them in the next class. And I will also send the quick test 1. Do the quick test 1 also for homework. After physics, it will be chemistry test. Okay, solutions entire chapter.